So in my mind, a woman is supposed to smell powerful and confident and sexy. You can't really put a scent into adjectives, but it means whatever makes her feel that way. Whatever scent connects her to the memory or the feeling of empowerment, confidence, and sexiness. I can't tell you what that's going to smell like for you, what that's going to feel like for you, but I could tell you whatever it is that makes you feel that way, that's what a woman is supposed to smell like. That's what I want to smell like. That's how I treat fragrance today. You know, I want it to exude everything that I feel, everything that I am. That scent is the Fenty scent. The Fenty scent is going to capture so many different memories from different people and different experiences that when they smell this again, they'll never forget those experiences. And that's the joy in fragrance. One smell, you'll never forget it.